Hello everyone, my name is Bresco. Today I'm going to show you how we can learn Android on a computer, either a laptop or a desktop. Now, you will need two components to learn this Android on your computer. First, you're going to need a VMware player. You can either have a VMware workstation. Actually, the VMware workstation is much better, but it may cost some money, so I don't have money to pay for those software. So here I have the VMware player, but the VMware workstation is a lot better than this one. So you can download this VMware player or workstation on vmware.com, and you will need this Android ISO. For this, you can just go, to be simpler, you can just go on Google and then search Android x86. There you can go for the first option. Actually, I could show you that on my browser, but you can even see here my internet is not working. So you can just go on Google and then type Android x86, and then there are a lot of them, like the ISOs. You can have the HPs, you can have Asus, you can have ASA. Actually, I'm using the Asus A5 RX series. So you just gonna, after downloading those things, you can go and install your VMware player or workstation. So I already have this installed and my Android ISO here. So first, as for me, because I already have it and I downloaded and installed it, so I'm just go ahead and open it. Word, yeah, there. First, for you, like, you are the newest member to this VMware player. Now you will not have these. You not have this. Now you only have this. Create a new virtual machine. Open a virtual machine. Upgrade to virtual machine VMware workstation. Actually, I told you about this. So you can go here if you already have one, but you don't have any. So you're gonna go and create a new virtual machine. So to be realistic, actually I just have to remove this one. Sorry about that, I would have done that later. So you can go hit double click there, then there'll be a pop-up window, this one. Now you're gonna locate your ISO, Android ISO, where you put it, like here. You're gonna go on browse. Mine is on the desktop, so I'm gonna go on favorites here, desktop, and then scroll down. Here is my Android ISO, so I'm gonna click it and then open. So here's my VMware, my path. So you're gonna hit next. Here you can rename your virtual machine. Actually, this one is the default name. They say free BSD 2. Actually, I had one, so that's why I'm bringing the 2. So you can rename it either your name or maybe whatever you like. Actually, I'm gonna put my name there. Then you go hit next. Now here you don't have to lower your hard disk here, because this one is a recommended thing. It's recommended that you use 20 GB, but if you want, you can either increase it but not decrease it, because the Android will not learn properly. Actually, you're gonna need more space. So here you have to put your files as a single file, so you don't split your files. Just go hit check this option here, say store virtual disk as a single file. So you're gonna hit next. Now here, this is just the confirmation it can tell you and the status of your virtual machine. So here, like, they say ready to create a virtual machine. Click finish to create the virtual machine and start installing. See that? So here I have my name and the path, then the workstation number. That is, the version of my virtual machine. So here there's the hard disk, the 20 GB we put there. Do not decrease this one, I already told you. Now here's the RAM. Actually, the random access of my Android. Now the network adapter, actually to access the Wi-Fi, just to go on a network, it will use this one. So other devices, these are the devices that the Android will take over, like will use them. So you're gonna hit next. You gonna customize them but actually this one is not important to me, so I'm gonna hit next. You wait until it boots. Actually it does use the Rhine boot, so here cancel this one. Actually it doesn't come in VMware Workstation, doesn't count, so you just wait for the VMware to boot like this one, and then after the VMware boots, and then the Android will boot again like a line boot. Here you don't have to install your Android, so just go in this option. It says just run Android without installation. Actually if you install your Android on your hard disk, actually it's gonna cause some, actually maybe you may lose your data or maybe destroy some of it. So here this automatic boot just boot as learning that without installation. So you can either wait or you can just go here and hit hit enter. But maybe you may have some problems like, how can I control my cursor here? This cursor, you may either go to your Windows or in the virtual machine. So if it's in the virtual machine, you can just press Ctrl and Alt, and then it will show you. This one is in the window mode, but if you click into the virtual machine, it will disappear. Now we just have 8 seconds to boot, so we can just hit enter for being fast. Wait for the Rhine boot until it finishes. Actually mine is gonna take longer because my computer is so slow. You're gonna wait. Yeah, there the Android is loading. Actually I have a baby here, so that's why I can hear those sounds like the freaking. You wait, it will boot. Wait, don't be like, hey, I'm destroying my computer. No, it's okay, everything is fine, just wait for it. Wait. There you have the Android on your computer. Now load. Actually this is gonna take a minute or two, so you're gonna wait as well. Be patient. You want the Android, so wait. Oh, I got a text here, so I'm gonna answer it. People are not capable of waiting back. There, Android. Now, I would have shown you many things with this Android, like this Google search, but my Wi-Fi is not working. Either my some problems with my router, so I'm gonna just show you the apps. Exactly, just like you have your apps. So, but others have a 2 GB RAM. 4 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk. You gotta be more faster, so you can even see it. So simple. Now if you like my video, you can just, and then have a website right now, so no forums are created. So I'm sorry about that, because I'm just a regular college student. So here I'm gonna show you how you can exit this thing. Actually exiting this thing is not like just exiting without a good procedure may destroy your computer. So but that's not very familiar. Like destroying your computer, it may exit, but maybe sometimes it's gonna fail to boot. So if you want to exit your Android here, you can just go here on VMware. Like as I told you, this cursor, this blue cursor, is for the Android. Now you can't go either way, you can only remain in the Android. Now you can do everything with your Windows. Now you are in the virtual machine state. Now to take your cursor out of this, you just have to press Control, press it and hold it, and then press Alt. Now here you have your Windows cursor. Now you can go here, up here, if you are in the full screen mode, and then go on prayer. Then here you have power. Now you can power off your Android, or you can suspend it, or maybe if it's malfunctioning, you can just restart it. There. So As for me, I'm gonna shut it down, not suspend it. Suspending will just pause it and then we'll save. Let me just show you. No, I don't have to show you because I don't have much time. Maybe for the video to be shorter, I think. So I'm gonna just shut down here. Shut it down. This one, go to yes. It's a confirmation actually. So here. Now I have my virtual machines like 1, 2, and 3. Now this is what will already create. If you want to open it, you can either go here or go here. Now that's how we can do it. This is not the only way to run this Android. There's also another way. Actually, the video is just coming lately, so you just wait. But that one you have to consider that you are going to have 2 operating systems in your computer. Now you will need to have a partition. If you don't know how to make a partition, a disk partition, I'm gonna show you there. But that's not cool because these things are just practical, so we don't need them like to take over the whole computer. Now I'm going to exit my virtual machine. Here it goes, exit. Yeah, as I already told you, you can comment on my video for whatever problems you have or whatever features you want me to show you. Bye for now. My name is Compuer. Bye.